A very good afternoon, respected Joint Secretary Sir, who is not here right now, senior officers of Department of Animal Husbandry and Dairying, senior panelist, Chairman CLEFMA, office bearers of CLEFMA, then members, all the members who are present here from CLEFMA, special invitees, friends from media, ladies and gentlemen. First of all, I would like to thank CLEFMA for giving me this wonderful opportunity of briefing the features of this scheme in this 62nd National Symposium of CLEFMA. So let me brief. While the entire country was coping up with the pandemic in 2020, under the guidance of our Honorable Minister, Fisheries, Animal Husbandry and Dairying, and senior officers of department came up with an initiative of a scheme which is one of its kind, Animal Husbandry Infrastructure Development Fund. It's a central sector scheme which was announced under Honorable Prime Minister's Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan Stimulus Package. So this is, as I already mentioned, that this is a central sector scheme under the Prime Minister's Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan Stimulus Package, which incentivizes dairy processing and value addition infrastructure, meat processing and value addition infrastructure, establishment of animal feed units, and a recently added category, which is breed improvement technology and breed multiplication farm. So these are the subcategories of dairy processing and value addition infrastructure, which is establishment of a new unit or strengthening of existing dairy processing units, which also includes the quality and hygienic milk processing facilities, packaging facilities, and the activities which are related to dairy processing. For value-added facilities, any kind of ice cream unit, cheese manufacturing, UHT, flavored milk, milk powder, whey powder, and any other milk processing and value addition unit can be assisted. Then this is the main focus of today's gathering, which is animal feed manufacturing plant. So these are the subcategories under which Government of India is providing assistance, which is establishment of any animal feed manufacturing unit or strengthening of the existing facilities, which includes establishment of mini, medium, and large animal feed plant, total mixed ration block making unit, bypass protein unit, mineral mixture plant, enriched silage making unit, and animal feed testing laboratory. So this is the recently added category which included the establishment of IVF center, sex-sorted semen facility, and breed multiplication farm under the category breed improvement technology and breed multiplication farm. I take this opportunity to tell that in government we've decided, and it's yet to be finalized though, that any kind of technologically assisted poultry farms and the breed multiplication farms for sheep, goat is also to be included under this category. So this assistance of loan and interest subvention can now be availed for the poultry farms also. So these are the eligible entities of this scheme, which can be any individual entrepreneur, farmer producer organization, MSME, Section 8 companies, or any private company. The striking features of AHIDF happens to be loan up to the 90% of the estimated project cost will be provided by any of the scheduled bank, and what Government of India is providing is interest subvention of 3% for all the eligible entities. Also a very unique feature, which is credit guarantee fund. So let me tell you that this happens to be the first ever credit guarantee fund in the entire agriculture sector of our country, which is of rupees 750 crores, which is being managed by NABARD, and we have got a credit guarantee fund trust of 750 crore, wherein we are giving 75 crores every year to this trust, wherein 25% of credit facility is provided for MSME. The maximum repayment period is 8 years. So as of now, to ease out the application, and government is also making steps to make things better. So we have developed an online portal for this, which is ahidf.udyamimitra.in, in collaboration with SIDBI. And this is the application status. This is the current status of our portal. Today, we have received 1,490 applications on the portal. The eligible applications are the one which are falling under the, as per the guidelines of the scheme. We've got 158 applications. You can clearly see that 66 applications have been made eligible by the department for animal feed plant. Total applications which have been sanctioned up to date, till today, are 52. And out of which 26 happens to be from animal feed plant, and meat processing, we've got a low number here, and we have to make efforts to make this number high. So these animal feed plants happens to be 26 applications we've received and we've sanctioned, and 335 crore is the total quantum of loan for these applications. So these are the figures which we received. 2021, we have given 12.74 crores as an only interest subvention with a loan amount of 493.97 crores. So this is also the data for feed plant. You can see that project cost of 477 crores and the loan amount of 335 crores have been sanctioned under animal feed plant. So geographically, if we see, so when we started with this scheme, we could, in 2021, we could only support 10 projects, and now the country, the scheme has been absorbed in the entire country, and you can see that we've got good number of applications and good number of projects have been strengthened overall. This is the dairy processing, and these are the meat processing. Number of projects are less, and we are making efforts to make it popularize. So these are the outcomes of HIDF, and with the help of Animal Husbandry Infrastructure Development Fund, this has been added in the supply chain. If we see the poultry feed plant, 13 lakhs million ton per year has been added through the scheme. Cattle feed plant, we've added 3.27 lakh million ton per year. Out of the total animal feed plants which we have assisted, 80% happens to be for the poultry feed, and the 20% happens to be for the cattle feed. The employment generated for these plants were 3,674. This is the data, same here. We've got 66 applications eligible, and 26 were. So these are the projects, these are the company. Most of you are sitting here, the names which we've seen in papers, and we got the opportunity to meet them in person. And these are the firms which we've assisted in the last 2 years. So with the help of CLEFMA also, you know, for outreach of this scheme amongst the targeted participants, we collaborated with CLEFMA and organized one webinar to get the scheme absorbed well amongst the classes. So for any further details, as I already told, we have an online portal in which all the documents, the process application, all the documents, the model DPRs, everything is uploaded there. So this is the journey of and the process for availing loan. It's an easy. Government is also making steps now. Things are becoming lucrative. HIDF itself is a scheme which is not only about farming, dairy farming and sheep farming or goat farming. It's about infrastructure processing, which is a step add-on for making the animal husbandry sector more lucrative. Thank you very much.